Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from opening automatically when saving or opening PDF files. Now let's get started. Step 1. First open the Adobe Acrobat desktop application on your computer. This is the main program where all Adobe settings are managed, and it is important because changes must be made from inside the app. Step 2. Once Adobe Acrobat is open, go to the top left corner and click on the menu option, then scroll down and select Preferences. This section allows you to control how Adobe Acrobat behaves on your system. Step 3. In the Preferences window, look at the left side and find the category called Internet. Then click on it. This option controls how Adobe interacts with browsers and PDF files online. Step 4. Now locate Internet Settings and click on it. A new window will open where browser-related options are stored. This step is important because PDF auto-opening is linked to browser add-ons. Step 5. Inside the new window, go to the top and click on the Programs tab. Then select Manage Add-ons. This area shows all add-ons that can run with or without your permission. Step 6. At the bottom left, change the view to show add-ons that run without permission, then find Adobe PDF Reader in the list. Click on it and choose Disable. This stops Adobe Acrobat from opening automatically. Step 7. Once the status shows disabled, close all the windows and save the changes. Now when you save or open a PDF file, Adobe Acrobat will no longer open automatically. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful Adobe Acrobat tutorials.